Hi, Ellie here. Today I'm reviewing a tool that I've been using for 5 years, my perforated 12-inch square pizza peel. Let's do it. This peel has been with me through cooking countless pizzas, and it's helped me cook some of my best ever. If you're serious about making amazing pizza, a good pizza peel is a must-have. In this video, we'll be going through why a pizza peel is so important and why do I turn my pizza outside the oven when using this square peel. I'll answer all these questions in this video. Let's go. Why do you need a pizza peel at all? Can't you just use a baking tray or your hands? Nope, because a good pizza peel makes everything easier, smoother and faster. Here's why. When you're cooking pizza at 450 degrees Celsius, 850 degrees Fahrenheit in ovens like the Ooni Koda 12, there's no time for hesitation. A peel lets you move your pizza quickly and safely away from a flame or heat that could burn your pizza in seconds. When making Neapolitan pizza, you need to turn the pizza every 15 to 20 seconds to prevent one side from burning. A peel lets you rotate the pizza without sticking your hands into a 900-degree oven. Unlike baking trays, a peel lets you slide, turn and remove the pizza with maximum control. This is essential for those crispy, evenly cooked crusts. Better than tongs or spatulas, tongs squeeze the crust and can mess up your pizza shape. A peel keeps your pizza intact and beautiful. Now let's talk about the peel, the aluminium perforated 12-inch square peel. I've been using this peel for 5 years and I wouldn't trade it for anything. Why? Because it's super lightweight. It's aluminium, it's light. This makes turning pizzas effortless, even if you're making multiple in a row. It's the perfect size for 12-inch pizzas. But also works great in larger ovens. It fits perfectly in my Ooni Volt 12 and other 12-inch ovens. But I also use it in my Ooni Koda 16 and it works just as well there. It's easy to clean, no weird build-up, just wipe it down and it's ready for the next cook. Its perforations help remove excess flour. No more burning flour on the oven stone, which means better flavour and less smoke. It also allows the pizza to not steam up on the base when you're turning it. But here's the key. This is not a launching pizza peel. I do not use this peel to launch pizza, based on my cooking experience and in my opinion. And here's why. This peel is amazing for turning, but not for launching. So why don't I launch pizza with this peel? These are my reasons why I don't. The dough can sink into the perforations. When launching a pizza, you want a completely smooth surface, so it slides off easily. But if you use a perforated peel, the dough can stick into those holes, making launching a nightmare. Perforations create extra friction. This can make it harder to slide a pizza off smoothly. A solid wooden peel is much better for launching. Aluminium heats up fast, and if this peel sits near the pizza stone too long, it can get hot quickly, which can lead to problems. But for turning pizzas, this peel is perfect. The perforations make it easier to slide under the pizza when turning. The square shape makes it great for lifting and moving pizzas. And since it's lightweight, you can work fast, which is important when cooking at high temperatures. So why do I turn the pizza outside the oven using this peel? If you've watched my videos, you know I always turn my pizza outside the oven when using 12-inch pizza ovens using this peel. But why? Because it's square. Unlike round turning peels, which can rotate inside the oven, this 12-inch square peel doesn't fit as easily when turning inside smaller ovens. Pulling the pizza out for a few seconds lets me check the base, control how much char I want, and avoid overcooking. It avoids direct heat on the peel. Since this peel is aluminium, I don't want it getting too hot by touching the pizza stone or flame for longer than it needs to. This is one of the best techniques for making sure your pizza cooks evenly and doesn't burn. And so my final thoughts are, do I recommend this peel? So after 5 years of using this perforated peel, do I recommend it? Absolutely, it's perfect for turning, moving and handling pizza. It's super lightweight, easy to clean and great for removing excess flour or semolina. But not for launching, you need a solid wooden peel for that, in my opinion. If you're looking for a turning peel that makes pizza effortless, this one is a winner. So what pizza tools do you use? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more pizza tips and reviews, share this with your pizza loving friends. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.